Good evening, grade 10. This will be the answer to your pre-assessment, quarter 4, module 1, language of research. So the instruction here is match the descriptions in column A with the corresponding section names listed in column B. Okay, first, presents background information, scope, and focus of the research paper. So ano yun? Anong language of research yun? That's what we call the introduction. All right, this one, what language of research is this? It provides a review of what others have written or researched on concerning the topic. That is literature review. Next, it explains how the research was conducted. That is methodology. Next one, we have here presents the information gathered through the research. That is, the answer is results. It provides the summary of the research. That is conclusion. It lists all the sources used in the research. That is reference. Evaluates the result of the study or research. That is a discussion. It contains other related information such as graphs, charts, tables, lists. That is appendix. It summarizes all sections and helps readers decide whether or not to read the entire report. That is abstract. A systematic investigation to contribute to an existing body of knowledge. That is research. And thank you for watching.